night when you sleep? Let me show you the incredible magic.
Hi, little dreamers. I'm Sleepy the Moon, and this is my friend Dreamy the Cloud. Tonight, we'll take you on the most amazing adventure to discover why sleep is your secret superpower. When you close your eyes, your body doesn't stop working. It becomes a super busy factory. Your muscles grow bigger and stronger, just like when you eat your vegetables. And guess what? Your brain has tiny cleaning helpers that come out only at night. They sweep away all the messy thoughts and organize everything you learned today into neat little boxes. Sleep is like plugging your body into a magical charging station. After 10 to 12 hours, you wake up with a full battery, ready to run, play, laugh, and learn new things. The best part? While all this magic happens, you get to go on incredible dream adventures. You can fly, meet talking animals, or visit magical places.
Now you know why sleep is so important. Promise me you'll get lots of sleep to become the strongest, smartest version of yourself. Give us a big thumbs up if you love sleeping and subscribe for more amazing secrets. Sweet dreams, little superheroes.